Hello YouTube, welcome to the Riding with Rick channel. I'm Rick, your host, and today, instead of talking about motorcycles and making videos about that, I decided to make a video about something else that I love. What I got under this gray cover here, it's a very special car, not something that I bought at a dealership, but instead built with my own two hands. And we'll get the cover off this thing, get it out, I'll tell you a little bit about it, and we'll take it for a little ride. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is a Factory 5 replica of a 1965 Shelby Cobra. I'm not supposed to say the word Cobra because that's trademarked by Carroll Shelby, but they refer to it as a Roadster. Give you a little walk around of the car. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about it. Let's get the hood open here. Okay, so this is the engine is, I sourced it from a 1987 Mustang GT50, and it is a 331 stroker engine, fuel injected. Edelbrock intake on it. AFR heads. It is a power steering car, manual brake. The transmission is a Tremec 5-speed built by Hanlon Motorsports, and the rear end is, and it's geared at 331. The engine, I've never dynoed it, but on paper it puts out 400 horsepower at the crank and produces 378 foot-pounds of torque. Why is it red? It's actually not. This is actually a gel coat protection. The car still needs to go to paint and eventually have an interior put in it. This car is, there's no creature comforts in this car. The best creature comfort I have in this car is maybe the cup holders. Other than that, it is loud, it is obnoxious, it's hot, and it is stupid fast. And I'm going to do my best on capturing some sound from this car, but I'm not too optimistic that it will actually come out, but I'll do my best. So, you know, it's really great to look at, but let's take this thing for a ride. All right, folks, I don't know how the sound is going to work out. I've got a little lapel mic on my my harness here, but I'm all strapped in, and I'm going to get it started up here and let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll get on the road here. I forgot to mention that this is a fiberglass car, and it's a little shy of 2,400 pounds. So I'm going to be a little, I haven't driven the car in a little bit, so I'm going to be a little cautious because this car can get away from you real quick. But I'm going to get it up into the mountains close to where I live, get it on a road that I can open it up a little bit. All right.
your heart pumping nothing well.
All right, I hope you enjoyed the ride as much as I did. My heart's definitely pounding. I need to go take my heart medication right now. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, and
As always, click the like button, and if you leave a comment, I'll comment on your comment. Thanks for watching.